So once again, where in Hebrew is איפה? Where is איפה? And the preposition that answers the question, in or at, in the, at, well, it really depends whether it's a proper name, a name of a city, a name of a place, or a definite noun. We'll use be and ba. Be and ba, depending whether it's a definite noun or an indefinite noun or a name of a place. So once again, you're going to see a sentence in front of you in English. Don't forget to pause the video and then say it out loud in Hebrew. Don't skip this part. It's very important because this is a speaking comprehension exercise. Once you've done so, play the video and see if you got it right. If you didn't get it right, don't forget to write all of those sentences that didn't get right in your notebook. And then rewatch the video until you'll be able to get it on your first try. Where are you? איפה אתה? I'm home. אני בבית. Where are you? איפה את? I'm at work. אני בעבודה. Where's יוסי? איפה יוסי? יוסי is outside. יוסי בחוץ. Where's מיכל? איפה מיכל? מיכל is in the shopping mall. מיכל בקניון. Where do you guys live? איפה אתם גרים? We live in Israel. אנחנו גרים בישראל. Where do you work? איפה אתם עובדים? We work in the USA. אנחנו עובדים בארצות הברית. Where do you girls live? איפה אתן גרות? We live in אשדוד. אנחנו גרות באשדוד. Where do יוסי and מיכל work? איפה יוסי ומיכל עובדים? They work in Jerusalem. הם עובדים בירושלים. Excellent, guys. So I hope that this exercise with the question word איפה and the be preposition worked out well for you. So don't forget, be with proper names, names of places, בירושלים, בישראל, בארצות הברית, באשדוד, ba in the, at the. So when talking about places that are not names of places, not cities, not names of countries, we'll use ba in most cases. בבית, בעבודה, בחנות, בקניון. In some cases, we may use the indefinite form of be. For example, when we are in a restaurant, then we'll use be, מסעדה. However, usually when we're talking about daily activities like supermarkets, stores, work, house, everything like that, we'll use the ba version of the be preposition. So I hope that you got everything right. If you didn't get anything right, write down those sentences in your notebook and then rewatch the video until you'll be able to get those on your first try. So this is for this lecture. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.